Hey guys, today I have the easiest and most delicious dessert that you guys will ever make, and it is a pineapple sorbet. And you wanna know how easy it is? There are 3 ingredients here. Well, like 3.5, because there's lime juice in here, but it's super easy, super simple. I have a pound of frozen pineapple chunks here. So you'll get the bags, and you can find bags that are about 16 ounces or a pound. I know some people come from different countries, so the measurements might be different there, but for us it's a pound or 16 ounces for a frozen bag. So we'll use a frozen bag of that, and then we'll use about 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey. That's just gonna add a little bit of sweetness in it and make the mixture feel a little bit more smooth. And then here I have water. This is not measured specifically. It's just to help things blend a little bit smoother and give some liquid in the blender to make sure that everything is blending smoothly, because I think it's gonna need a little bit more liquid than just the frozen pineapple. I also added a little bit of lime juice in the water just to make it a little bit more tangy and add just a little bit of flavor to the sorbet. So I'm gonna take my pineapple, which is also very high in vitamin C. It's super great for a dessert because it has a lot of natural sugars. So rather than getting ice cream or sorbet from the store, which has a lot of added sugars, artificial sweeteners and things like that we just don't want to be eating, this is all natural sugar grown from the earth, and it's a great way to cater to that sweet tooth. So I'm gonna pour in all of these pineapple chunks slowly and try not to spill them everywhere. And this will need to be put in your freezer. You can drink it right away. It's probably just not gonna be as frozen if you prefer to eat your dessert rather than drink it. So we're gonna put all this good pineapple in here, add in my honey. And then we're going to add a little bit of water to start. If I need water, I can always stop the blender and add more water, so we'll see how this goes. I'm trying this right along with you guys, and trying not to spill it over the edge like I am doing right now. All right, we'll do a little bit more water, and then we will give it a blend. So depending on what kind of blender you use, for this type of blender, if you have a NutriBullet or a Ninja or some sort of other device at home, obviously that's just kind of one speed. For this one, I'm just gonna pulse and make it into a smoothie. All right, so this looks super awesome. It is all blended. All that honey and lime juice is all mixed in with the pineapple. So now, because it's still a little bit liquidy, it has a lot of water in there, we wanna make sure the water freezes. The finished product, it's been sitting out for a couple minutes, but you'll notice that it's softened a little bit. You can drizzle a little bit of extra honey on top if you'd like. And because this has been sitting in the freezer, you can eat it more like sorbet rather than like a smoothie. But if you prefer to drink it or you wanna drink it right away, you can just pour it in a cup, put a straw in it maybe, and enjoy it. But super easy. You literally just need these 3 ingredients and you have an easy, healthy dessert, way better than anything you'll buy in the store that's been pre-packaged, added with a bunch of sugar, artificial ingredients, all that bad stuff that we don't want. So super easy. All you need is a blender and these 3 things, and you can have your own dessert. I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was super awesome. And make sure you check out our other desserts, our other dinners, snacks, recipes, workouts. We have all the things for you. So check it out and we'll see you guys next time.